People, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Queen Sharon Entertainment and home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join us by hitting the red button down below there on the bell notification icon, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video here that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching with you in this particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about the video after watching. Like and share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next one.
Also house. Hope Uzodinjo had no business in Imo State Ikonso house. Hope Uzodinjo had no business of governance in Imo State. Hope Uzodinjo is a coward and an idiot. Hope Uzodinjo shouldn't be free walking the streets of Imo State. Hope Uzodinjo and everything that pertained to him should not be left standing. And anybody working with Hope Uzodinjo, anybody working with Hope Uzodinjo should not be left to be working free. Anybody that supports the government of Hope Uzodinjo should feel the weight of the anger of the people of Imo State. It should start happening now. Now. Wow, supposed to go. On your board now, not a government to Hope Uzodinjo. Anybody working with your thought, supporting Hope Uzodinjo, should begin to feel the music of Imo State people. That is what you do. That is what you do. You don't just keep calm and be shouting, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. You're calling Jesus to save you from Janjaweed. Janjaweed, Hope Uzodinjo just sent Janjaweed to be burning your houses, and you are screaming, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Are you all right? What's wrong with you people? And then I have some idiots that will come here and be telling me, DOS, I support DOS. Very hopeless people that are looking for money to support their Nzama. Criminals. Now, can you even believe that people are supporting this useless leadership that comes out on a broadcast that doesn't even last for up to half an hour, and they did not even say anything? Game comes on Radio Biafra, and the only thing he could talk about is that the ESN should return back to bases. ESN should return back to bases, and then he talks about a new account that is being opened. And he talks about this authority is coming from the highest authority in this leadership. Highest authority. If, look, Chikedozie, you don't play with people's intelligence. You understand? We are not fools. From which highest authorities? If it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that gave you another account for people to be donating money, after having given instruction that Umwe account is the account that is designated for ESN. The account designated for ESN is the Umwe account. And Chikedozie, you are telling us another higher authority. Obviously not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is it Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that we have been told that his life is under threat? Is it the same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is giving you a different account based on what? Now, a different account for what? Let me even know. A different account for what? The money that Nene has seized, has it been accounted for? You people locked down ESN phone. You people have dispersed ESN, and you come down on Radio Biafra telling the ESN should return back to bases. Where did you send them to before? Return back to bases from where? Chikedozie and some idiots that are talking about the leadership. They are trying to hijack this leadership. Your idiotic leadership are telling you that ESN are not in their location where they are supposed to be, where the military, the Janjaweed, could not even assess them before. Because of fear, they couldn't get to them. Now you're telling us that they should go back to base. From where? To which base? Chike Doziem, go back to which base? From where? Now, do you, brothers and sisters, remember that Don Prince, the Semper Master, Don Prince, released a prophecy that there need to be a collaboration between the religious leaders, the traditional leaders, and everyone in IPOB, that there need to be a collaboration to march within 14 days. Within 14 days. Chike Doziem, what did he say about that? Nothing. But they were quick to bring this young man to Radio Biafra because they want to blackmail Nelly of him. Chike Doziem, Ogaha Dregenama. Chike Doziem, Muawra said, Chamaka Jere, Ahamugwa Jere, Mwana Wagana Balea, Chike Doziem, Ogaha Dregenama. Magiwa Mandili Lenam with you. All of you that are trying to destroy this struggle, all of you that are working against Mazin Namdekano, it will never be well with you. Never. I say it with my bare foot. I remove my shoes from my foot and I say it. Chike Doziem, it will never be well with you. Chike Doziem, it will never be well with you. This idiot, you are a fool. Thy word, Prince, you are an idiot, and it will not be well with you. Every one of you supporting Chike Doziem, you will die shameful deaths. Idiot, I block you now. Fool. All of you supporting Chike Doziem, all of you will die miserably. You will die miserably. Look at what is happening in Imo State. Did your idiotic Chike Doziem, did he say anything about it? Did Chike Doziem say anything about what is happening in Imo State? Do you think some of us are not Lily-livered people? We know what we are looking for. We know what we want. Nobody is paying us. You said nothing about the Ikonso house. An idiot is still occupying the Ikonso house and marshalling orders for people to kill Biafrans and burn down their properties. And you are there talking about money. Otoro Samuel Gidea. Otoro Samuel Gidea Chike Doziem. They're burning down people's properties. People are not going to have a home tonight. And you are there giving a new account that will kill you and kill your generation. Releasing a new account. Look, if Onyendu come out and he tells me that what I am doing is wrong, I will apologize to him. But right now what I'm seeing, from the leadership of IPOB is an eyesore. It's an eyesore. No. What is wrong with you people? When it's time to take proper action, things are happening. You are not giving directives to people. You are not speaking to people. Come back and take action. Look at another idiot. Look at another fool. Come back and take action. Look at him. Come back. No, stay there. They will come and kill you. You're waiting for me to come and take action. Let me block you. They will kill you while you are waiting for me to come and take action. No, continue to wait for me to come and take action. Chukwudi Jibo, wait for me to come and take action. Then you will die waiting for me to come and take action. Idiotic fools. Block you here. Idiots. Come back and take action. No, they're there. They wait for me. Me that is safe and secure. Me that is living in a very safe environment. Look at this light. I've been in this country for close to 15 years. This light has not gone off. It hasn't gone off. When I'm going, if I want to go out this night, even if it is 1 a.m., 2 a.m., I'm not afraid, I'm not scared. Because nothing will happen to me. Even the agent of DOS that are threatening people to kill them, do you see that we are afraid of them? Some idiots like Ikenga Uruagu. lunatics, some of them in Germany, that calls himself Mwekwensu. That idiotic people. You think we are not afraid of them because we are in a safe zone. Nobody can attack you anyhow. Because they know what they will face. They will face the music. So me that is so safe and secure, you are telling me to come back, and put my I now put myself on the line for you that have refused to rise up and take the necessary action that will liberate you. If it is able for you to run away from that zoo, then you run. But if you cannot run, you are there and you know that if you don't take action, they will kill you. Will you wait until they kill you? Are you going to wait until Hope Uzodinjo will kill you with the armies of the Janjaweed? Are you going to fold your hands and wait? Are you guys not going to agree together and come together and tell your mothers and tell your fathers and make sure that your priests and your clergymen will be in support of you and make sure you chase that idiot out of Ikonso house? You are telling me to come back and do it for me. When our leader was always speaking on Radio Biafra, did you see things like this happening? Did you see things like this happening? When our leader gave order that anywhere Hope Uzodinjo will appear or go for any occasion, that he will make sure that that community will feel the presence of or the wrath of Tupo Kadiama, and our people will make sure they make them with what is required for their defiance to his instruction. Did you see Hope Uzodinjo going to any of those communities or handling any project anywhere where our leader was on Radio Biafra? But today, the idiots you have on Radio Biafra, all they are doing is gossiping, talking about the women, talking about Simon Ekpa, talking about money. That's all they're looking for. That's what they're doing. Thieves everywhere. I am IPOB, and there is nothing that will make me to stop being IPOB. It is not Chikedozie that made me IPOB. It is not Tina Sanworu that made me IPOB. I am IPOB by birth and by nationality. And this flag is Biafra flag. That is my identity. That's who I am. None of them is more IPOB than any one of us. So if you see what is wrong, you speak up. If you see the necessary action you need to take, you take it. This is all I came to tell you tonight. Hope Uzodinjo must be chased out of that Ikonso house. Because if you fold your hands and allow him to continue, he's going to make sure they eliminate every one of you. The people killing you in Imo State, the people burning your houses in Imo State, they are not even from Nigeria. They are terrorists. They are terrorists. And Hope Uzodinjo is using taxpayers' money of Imo State to sponsor your killing. He's using taxpayers' money to sponsor the killing of the people in Imo State. And you're keeping quiet. You're folding your hands. And the next thing we say is, come back and join us. Come and do it. Stay there and wait for me. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. This is actually what I came to tell you tonight. Tonight, tomorrow, if there's any mobilization, you can mobilize. Anything you can do, make sure you create the awareness necessary. Hope Uzodinjo must be chased out of Ikonso house. He cannot stay there. He must be chased out of Ikonso house. If you fold your hands and allow an illegitimate governor, Hope Uzodinjo is not the governor of Imo State. You did not vote for him. Did you vote for Hope Uzodinjo? Let me ask you. Did you vote for him? If you voted for him, then maybe I am wrong. Did he win any election in Imo State? If you won the election, then maybe I should keep my mouth. If Hope Uzodinja did not win the election, you did not vote for him, why have you allowed him to stay so long in Imo State? Why have you allowed him to occupy the council house and be perpetuating this evil and this wickedness going on in Imo State? Enough is enough.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye.